What's up, guys? This is Men's Health Network, and today we're talking about workplace policies and men's health. Have you ever shrugged off a cough or ignored a sore throat? Most of us have. If we're being honest, it's not always easy to take care of your health and well-being, especially when seeking health care might interfere with your day-to-day schedule. On average, men are 24% less likely than women to have seen a doctor in the last year, but putting off healthcare can have devastating long-term effects. When you miss out on preventative screenings and other recommended routine care, you can compromise your ability to remain healthy and productive. As an employee, staying healthy is critical for your success and productivity. Thankfully, there are workplace policies that can help you prioritize your health so you can maintain a healthy lifestyle. In this video, we'll go over examples of these policies and talk about why they're important for staying healthy, productive, and engaged in the workplace. When we think of our health, most of the time we're thinking about our physical health. Being physically healthy means making sure your body is properly functioning the way it should. In the workplace, remaining physically healthy helps you effectively perform your day-to-day activities. Many companies are expanding their workplace wellness initiatives to create a culture that supports physical health. Some companies are able to provide on-site fitness facilities like gyms and studios to their employees. Others offer compensation to their employees to help cover the cost of taking public transportation to encourage physical activities. Some small businesses might not be able to afford initiatives like these. That's where policies come in to help. Several states, including Massachusetts, Maine, Indiana, and Georgia, offer wellness tax credits to help offset the cost of these initiatives. This encourages small businesses to offer these programs, which encourages employees to prioritize their physical health. Your mental health is also a major part in staying healthy. Being mentally healthy means setting yourself up to preserve positive relationships, make good choices, and handle stress. In the workplace, supporting mental health is important to boost productivity, foster a positive environment, and increase retention. According to the National Alliance on Mental Illness, when employers don't support mental health, it could cost them more than $100 billion and 217 million lost workdays every year. There are a couple of common workplace policies companies have adopted to avoid these costs. Number one, companies can implement organizational and management policies that target the root of stress in the workplace. Number two, companies can provide training for supervisors that equip them with successful strategies to keep positive working conditions. Number three, companies can require training and interventions that help employees build stress management techniques. Number four, under federal law, employees with mental health conditions can request reasonable accommodations to help them keep their jobs. Procrastinating in the workplace might be second nature, but procrastinating on your health care can have harsh long-term effects. That's why preventative care is so important. Think of it like getting maintenance on your car. Getting consistent maintenance is useful for a ton of reasons. Not only are you checking your oil, rotating your tires, and inspecting your brakes, but routine maintenance also helps you catch potential issues with your car. Catching these issues early keeps your car running the way it should for as long as possible at a decreased cost. Preventative healthcare does the same for your body. The Affordable Care Act is a major policy that supports a wide range of preventative services as a comprehensive health insurance reform act. The ACA generally requires most healthcare plans to cover preventative services at no additional costs. Some of these services include important screenings for men, like abdominal aortic aneurysm, colorectal cancer, and type 2 diabetes. Be sure to practice preventative health to treat these issues or avoid them entirely. When it comes to supporting men's health in the workplace, there are policies in place at the organizational, state, and federal levels that can help employers and employees promote healthy lifestyles. Here's a quick summary of the different ways policies support important areas of health for men. Physical health. Lots of companies are adopting wellness initiatives. Small businesses that might not be able to afford these initiatives can receive tax credits from some state governments to help cover the cost. Mental health. Companies can avoid the financial costs associated with neglecting their employees' mental health by targeting the biggest sources of stress for their employees and providing stress management training. Preventive care. Finally, with men being 24% less likely to have seen a doctor in the last year, preventative care is another top priority for productive workplaces. Under the Affordable Care Act, most healthcare plans are required to cover preventative services like immunizations and screenings without additional copays or deductibles. To learn more about health programs and policies, visit the Men's Health Network website at menshealthnetwork.org. Men's Health Network, out.